Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Salesforce. Today is the day 34 class where we are going to discuss how to use after save flow in a record trigger flow, right? So in the previous class we have covered how to use before save flow in a record trigger flow. So we have used the assignment element and we have used update record element, right, in the before save flow, right? When using this record trigger flow, there is no any user intervention is there here. So it is going to execute automatically without any user intervention. So with the help of DMLs, like whenever we creating a record, whenever updating a record, whenever you are deleting a record, so this is going to execute automatically in the backend, right? So today we are going to see how to use, when to use this after save flow. So when to use means already we have covered. See this. So here when to use means, so whenever you are creating, updating or deleting the related records, right? Related records of that particular object, then we are going to use this after save flow. Right? If you want to send any email alerts, if you want to send any charter post, right? We are going to see every of this option. Okay. So today we are going to see how to send a charter post. If you are sending a charter post, so then what type of flow we are going to use, whether it is a before save flow or after save flow. Right? Before save flow only we are going to use if we are updating any value in the same detail page of that particular record, then only we are going to use this before save flow. And remaining for all we are going to use after save flow only. Like so DMLs on related records, sending an email alert, so charter post, calling an apex action. So for all this we are using after save flow. Okay. So let me go into the Salesforce here. So let me create a new flow. So now I'm going to post a charter here. So already we have discussed, right, importance of this charter, like it is a communication between the users. And whenever any record is created or updated, so what is the previous value? What is the new value? See here, for example, in this edge communication test, you see here, this is a charter. Come down. There is a charter option is there. See, there are some of the charter communication is there. Right? Previously, what is the last communication here? So account name is changed to account edge communications test. Right? So like this, I can customize this particular message from the backend. So whenever any record is created, so I need to send a charter post directly here. Okay. So let me do that. Click on next, select the record trigger flow. So now what is the object here? Account I'm going to take here. So in the account object, so if you come down, whenever a record is created, if you want to, this options record is updated or deleted, or in the both options, you can select any one of this option. Okay. Now come down. If you want to set any entry conditions, whether ID equals to some value or rating equals to some value, industry equal to some value. If you want to add any entry conditions, you can add or you can skip it. So now come down. So already we have covered this topic, fast field updates, which is nothing but a before save flow. Now we are going to discuss action and related records, nothing but a after save flow. Okay. Now just click on this, click on save button. Okay. So let me charter post for account. Okay. Charter post for account. Click on save. Okay. Now what to add here? Just click on this plus icon. Okay. Now you need to add post to charter. See here, post to charter. An action is that this is an action. The symbol indicates the action. Okay, just click on this. See here, one action element is added here. So what is the label? Post to charter. Right? Post to charter. Now if you come down, see here some message is there and some target name is there. Or target name or ID. So what is here the message? So I need to send an, let me open this. Let me remove all these things. What is the message and what is the target? Okay. So now let me add here. Hmm. Now, whenever any account record is created, so what is the scenario? What I need to be created here? What is the scenario here? Whenever account record is created, we need to post a charter. That is for clear, right? So now in the charter post, so simply you can see here in the previous charts. So simply it is showing that account name is changed from this value to this value, right? So now I am going to post a message that, okay. So I need to post a message that whenever any account is created, so we need to create a charter post on the account detail page. What is that? Account, that particular account name should be dynamically updated. Okay. Account name was created on, so it should be dynamically updated like created date. Created date should be dynamically updated. Created date by who? By whom? So created by name. Who created this? Created by name. Who created this? So these three should be updated dynamically. Account name, created date, and created by name. These three should be updated dynamically. Right? So now what is the message here? So if you go to the flow, there is some message there. See, you need to write some message. So if you click on this enter a resource or search for a resource, see some of the options are there, but there is no any such messages. So whatever the message I have entered here, account I was created so and so, but this message is not displaying here, right? So this message is not there here. Then what to do? So just we need to add, first of all, we need to search for these dynamic values. So what are these dynamic values? So see here account name. That means that particular record detail page, right? That record dot name should be taken, right? I said right. Dollar symbol with a record, which stores all the fields information of the particular object, right? So now under this record dot name is also there, right? Of that particular detail page record, right? Detail page record name I need to select, right? Now go here. Go to this record, select this. So triggering account, right? Record dot, whatever the triggering account means, whatever you are creating the record, right? Record dot, what is that? Name. Okay. Just copy this, copy this. Let me take one notepad. Okay. So what is the message here? Account, paste it here. Right? This is going to update dynamically. So triggering account record dot name. So whatever record it may be. So it is taking dynamically the particular name. Right? What is the message here? Was created on. Now again go back. So now remove this. Select search for record dot. What is that? Created date. See, created date is it. Select this one. Okay. Now copy this. Go here, created on, sorry, copy this. Yeah. Okay, created on that particular date is going to display by whom? Again, go back, record dot created. Created by means some user, right? So created by means user record. So go to the user record and select the first name and the last name, right? Select the first name in created by means user record, right? User dot first name. Okay, copy, go back, created by space open, instead of this first name, take last name. Okay, select this, copy, paste it here. Now select all the message. Go back. So remove these individual values and paste our message here. That's it. So this is my message. Go to, so account, that particular account name was created on So here you can see created on a particular date and particular time. Okay. So now target name or target ID. What is this? So target ID means on which page I need to display. For example, I am taking the value from this page. Let's say Edge Communications Test, right? Edge Communications Test create account Edge Communications Test what created on so and so C was created on so and so date by Dhanaraj admin. Okay, so this should be displayed on which page? On the same page, on this record detail page only. How the system knows I need to paste this on this page? So system should take these IDs, right? So here we are not going to add this particular IDs as hard coded. So this IDs system need to consider as dynamically. Whatever the record it may be, that particular record ID system need to take. So in order to take dynamic ID, so here already we are having triggering record dot ID. So this is the target ID. Where is that? Yeah. Okay. Record dot ID. Okay. See record dot ID. Okay. Triggering account dot that particular ID. Okay. It is going to consider that detail page and displaying this particular message there. Hope you understand. Right. Now click on close this. Click on save button. Okay. So for this, just if there is any error is there. Okay. Now just add a fault path for it. Just click on this, adding a fault path. Okay. So, but here any screen is going to display for you. Just click on this. Where is the screen? So previously in the last few classes we have covered. So whenever we are adding a fault path, some screen should be displayed, right? But now there is no screen. No screen to be visible here because it is not a screen flow. Right? No user intervention is needed. Right? User cannot see any screen from this record trigger flow. Okay. So if you are adding directly this fault path means it is showing some dirty message like some unexceptional messages. Whenever we are creating an account record, so let me tell you that how this fault messages will come. Let's save this. If you are not adding any, you are not handling those errors. So how this error message looks like. Okay. So let me debug this. So run immediately, run on rollback mode. So search for the account, copy this, go back, paste it. Okay. So in order to show this error, let me remove this. Okay. Instead of here, in order to show the error, let me remove the target ID and let me take any one of the random, take here. Okay, billing some value. In order to show error to you, I am taking some random value. Instead of ID, I have taken some billing latitude, some text values. Okay, save it. In order to show error to you, I have updated this ID. Okay. So that means target name means wherever this message needs to be displayed. So this message needs to be displayed on the particular detail page. So that detail page I have updated to some billing latitude. Now the error will come, right? Now the system will go like this. The path will flow like this. Instead of in a straight line, it will go like this. Okay. Let me check that. Click on debug again. Okay. Check this account. Click on run. See here. Instead of straight line, the blue line, see here. If you observe this blue line, it will go like this. What happened here? So missing required input parameter, something subject name or so and so, something it is showing. Right? So let me check let me activate this flow. Let me check from the backend. Right? We have verified in the backend debugging. Right? It is working as expected only. So I have removed the target ID. So instead of it is a straight line, so it go to the fault path. Right? This is what my expectation. Okay, correct. Now let me check in the front end. So try to create a new account. New account, test after save flow. Okay, add here. Okay, now save it. See, what is this message? Right? So if you are seeing here in the debug, okay, it is showing some error occurred, missing required something. But from the front end, see, we can't save this record because charter post for account. If you are showing this type of messages to the end user, he can't able to understand all these details. See, some subject name, ID, error, some numbers are there. He can't understand all these things. Got it? So we need to handle these particular exceptions. Okay. So those things also we are going to discuss. No need to worry. Okay. These type of errors will come. Okay. Okay. Whenever we are saving any record, these type of errors will come. Now let me cancel this. Okay. So let me go here. Go to our flow. So in this fault path, again, instead of, let me edit this flow. Instead of screen, again, I'm adding a charter post here. So I need to post a message. I need to, so whenever any error is coming, right? Whenever any error is coming, I need to post a message. I need to post a message to in the charter, right? I need to post a message in the charter. Got it right? So error charter code. Let me label it as error charter post. Okay. So here, what is the message I need to post? Go to the global variables, flow dot. Where is the flow? Check for the flow. Flow dot, what is that? Fault message. See here, flow dot fault message. You got it right? So which we have covered in the screen flows. In the screen flows, we have added flow dot fault message. But here there is no screen, right? So that I am going to post the error message in a charter box here. Here I am going to post. Let me open this. So if you go to this charter, so then the particular error message will come here. Got it right? So let me take this ID as record.id. .id. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let me save as a new version. Save it. Done. Just check now. Debug it. Select any one of the account. Just run. See here. Posted to charter. Some error is there. It has been posted to charter. Flow.error message. Okay. Missing required input something. Simple message. So previously you are saying some numbers, all these things. Some dirty message is there. Okay. But now it looks like purified. Okay. So let me go back, create one of the record here. Test of the save flow. Okay. Save it. Have you activated this flow? Go back. No, not activated. Just activate this. Okay. Now it is activated. Go back. Just create an again new. Refresh the screen and click on new button. Okay. Come down. Just click on save. See, okay, record was created because already there is a one or two flows we have created on the account object. We have created two flows, right? So one is for the before save record trigger flow and other one is for after save. So before save is working fine. Education, right? If you go to the details, the description is updated from flow. Okay, in the description we have added. Okay, that is for fine. Now come here. What is the second one? After save flow. We need to post a charter here. See, this is the error path. Missing required input parameter. Missing inquired input parameter, subject or name ID. Some ID is missing. We need to pass this particular message to the admins and they can resolve this error. So how they are going to resolve this error? Now you got it right. How to post a charter fault message, how to handle this error, right? So instead of so previously whenever I'm creating a new record, so we are getting some error there. But now the error looks like this, the fault message. Okay. So now let me add here, remove this and paste the ID. Paste the ID. Come down. Okay. Now save as again. Save it. Okay. Just activate it. Okay. So now go back. What is that error again here? Edit this. Account ID all are good. Okay. Unsaved changes. Edit flow. Okay, we have not edited the flow. Okay. Edit this. Account ID. Okay, very good. Save as a new version. Okay. Now just activate this. Done. Okay, now go to here. Just refresh the screen. Okay. Just create a new account. Test after save flow one. Done. Done. Okay. Let me save this. So how to post a charter message. So after save flow, now come down, go to your charter, see our message is displayed on that. See, account test after save flow. This is the name, right? Account test after save flow. This is my account name was created on so and so, right? By who? Dhanaraj admin. Now you got it right. Right? Was created on so and so date by whom? So these values will change the name, date, and created by. These three values can change dynamically. Now there is no any error message, right? So system does not go to that fault path and the fault message, whatever the fault message is there, now it is not going to display. So it is going to post a charter message using after save flow here. So as of now, we have created before save flow, one trigger is there and after save flow, one more trigger is there. Like this, we are creating if number of triggers are there on one particular object, right? So now someone has come into a project and they are trying to create one more flow. Let me go here, setup. Now there is a one more developer and they are trying to create one more flow on the same account object, right? So in order to avoid confusion, we are having a one more option here, right? We are having a one more option to in order to check the record trigger flows. This is the best option given by the Salesforce. So what is that? See, flow trigger explorer. Flow trigger explorer. Just click on this. See, so whenever account is created, as of now, two flows are there. Okay, just if there is updated, so no flows, 0, 0, 0. So if there is any deleted, 0. Now you got it right. Check the created. So whenever account record is created, okay, so like this, all the objects will be displayed here. If you want to select any, whenever the new developer comes, he needs first of all he needs to check like this. So whether any automations has been written on any object or not. So whether he is going to write a new trigger, whether he is going to write a new flow on record trigger flow on any object. So he needs to come here, select the object name and what he is going to create, whether a record is created, updated or deleted. He needs to check like this, right? See, as of now, two flows are there. So one is the run before save and other one is the run after save. If you are having a 2, 3, 4 number of flows, you can edit the order also. First, which flow should be executed and then next. So like this, edit this order, you can drag and drop like this. If you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in between this after save flow, you can drag and drop like this. Okay, which flow to be executed first one? right? So for example, in the after save flow, 2, 3, 4 flows has been created by different developers. And out of these 3 flows, which flow should be executed first, right? So we can arrange them also. Now you got it right. So like this. So as of now, 2 flows are there in the record flows, and here these 2 are in active status. Got it right? So that's it for today. So if you're having any doubts at any point of time, so you can mention in the comments. I'm going to respond to those comments. Okay. So keep following this channel for the latest updates. Thank you.